brought Eric straight into the garage because within 30 days of arriving in Ireland it has to be presented for a registration inspection, and for that it must be a viable car. The first thing I want to do is put a cover on Chewy, which I've just evicted from the garage because that car still has no windscreen and I don't want to get caught out in the rain. Before I go fitting any windows, there's loads of tape residue all around where these ones were removed, and somebody obviously just taped some plastic over it or something to keep the rain out. So the best thing I think to use is some T-cut and basically elbow grease to get rid of all this stuff. Bit of a nuisance, but just keep at it. I'm throwing a bit of everything at it at the moment because no one thing seems to suit every different type of adhesive that's been stuck to this car. But the main thing is just to keep persevering and we'll get there in the end. It was time to bring out the big guns. So I actually ordered this stuff for the final rub down of the Schrade. Decided to give it a go on this stuff, and yeah, it's a significant improvement on everything else I've tried. But it's nasty stuff, so I've got a good airflow across the garage, and I'm actually going to put this down right by the door. I'm keen to see some progress today, so I'm going to try and get a windscreen into this car because there's no real paint damage around this. So just clean off some of the old sealant and we'll see if we can get one in. This work I'm doing at the moment is all very temporary. I'll be doing a proper respray of this car at a later date, and we'll be grinding off all this stuff. But this is just cosmetic for the inspection in a couple of weeks' time. I have this windscreen rubber that I saved from an extremely rough car. So I'm just scraping the sealant and in some cases lumps of metal from the groove around here. So this will be a temporary fit up. I'll need a laminated screen for this eventually. I have the DNA of about 15 Kadett by the time I'm finished.